Good morning, students. We are seeing the lesson number 7, populations. In previous video, we have seen the first point, population growth. Okay, population growth. In today's video, we will see distribution of populations. So, dear students, in previous video already we have seen the birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, migration. Okay, all these factors are very responsible, okay, for the population growth. Now, today we will see the distribution of populations. How distribution is populations? कैसी है? Okay, page number 43. Dear student, there are one activities. Okay, and it is for you. Page number 43. Take about 100 grains of black-eyed beans, means चौड़ी. Okay, आपको 100 grains लेने हैं चौड़ी के. Okay, and first scatter all beans on the square of 30 by 30 centimeter. Okay, और 30 by 30 centimeter के square में उसको scatter करना है. कितने लेना है चौड़ी? 100s. Now scatter 100 more beans on square of 15 by 15 centimeter. जैसे कि पहले अपने 100 चौड़ी के बीन्स लिए हैं और उसको 30 by 30 में स्कैटर किया, इससे पहला है. देन सेकंड 100 से ज़्यादा आपको लेना है, क्या लेना है? चौड़ी, और उसको 15 by 15 में स्कैटर करना है. While scattering the grains, like care to see that grains do not touch one another or pile up on one top of the others. In which of the square can grains चौड़ी be easily scattered? आपको थोड़ा ऑब्जर्व करना है. जैसे कि we scatter first 100 grains in 30 by 30 centimeters in one square, but in second square is very small. It is 15 by 15 centimeter. And when we scatter the beans, what will happen? The 15 by 15 centimeter is very small. That's why there is a crowd of the beans of chowdi. In this way, dear student, we have to study the distribution of populations. When the grains of chowdi are scattered over two areas different size in the larger area, the distribution appears fair. So, okay, just like a chowdi means the population will scatter, okay, in the larger area. Okay, ज़्यादा जो एरिया होता है, okay, उस ज़्यादा एरिया में अगर पॉपुलेशन अगर कम है, okay, that population is called as spare populations. It appear spare or both that means when the very you can say very few or very low populations are scattered in the, you can say, very small area. Okay, in a small area, that is a dense populations. बहुत कम जगह में, कम एरिया में जो पॉपुलेशन होती है उसको डेंस पॉपुलेशन बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? डेंस पॉपुलेशंस. इसलिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर सीइंग द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन किस तरह से है. Similarly, we can understand the distribution of population in the regions. Some regions are mountainous while other are flat plains. Geographical conditions vary. Some regions are well endowed with natural resources while others have limited resources. So, dear student, means geography. If we will see the geographical extent, okay, boundaries, their locations, it is very different. Okay, there is a vary. Okay, there is a difference. Some part of our India or the earth is mountainous area, hilly area. Some part are flat or plain area. Okay, some part are covered by water. Some part of the our earth is you can say covered by what? Forest. Okay, in this way, according to their regions, the population is distributed according to the region. वो एरिया कैसा है, वो रीजन कैसा है, उसके ऊपर उस जो पॉपुलेशन होती है वो होती है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल माउंटेनियर एरिया. ओके, माउंटेनियर एरिया इज वी कैन से हिली एरिया. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ वेरी स्पेयर पॉपुलेशन. वहाँ का पॉपुलेशन कैसा है? बहुत स्पेयर है, वहाँ पे बहुत कम जनसंख्या है, वहाँ पे बहुत ही मतलब वेरी फ्यू पॉपुलेशन। वाई? बिकॉज द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर वेरी लिमिटेड देयर। Okay, and in the comparison of mountainous area, in the flat or plain area there is a dense population, because from the flat or plain area, okay, many river flow from that place, okay, and they create a very fertile soil, and that soil are very, you can say, favorable for the produce of different type of crop. That's why many people are, you can say, settled there. Okay, they started their business, their agriculture, okay, as well as other work. But why in mountain area there is pure? Because the soil is unfertile and the natural resources are very limited. So in area with abundant resources, naturally the population is more. और जहाँ पे जो natural resources वो बहुत abundant होते हैं, okay, there is a very dense population, there is a very more population in this area. There is a dense population distribution in this area with scarce resources, unfavorable climate, undulating terrain, etc. Okay, all these are the factors are responsible for the spare population in mountainous area. But understood means, first of all, see carefully why the spare populations in mountainous or hilly area, because their climate, okay, climate is very different, undulating terrain, you know, undulating terrain, as well as scarce resources, unlimited resources, okay, all these factors, okay, due to the all these factors, okay, no one is ready to live at such a place. That's why there is very spare populations. Now, dear students, in this way we see means how is the distributions of populations. जैसे कि first we saw one activity. What we saw? The activity means एक स्क्वायर लिया आपने 30 बाई 30 सेंटीमीटर का और वहाँ पे 100 बीन्स स्कैटर किए, और दूसरा स्क्वायर लिया 15 बाई 15 सेंटीमीटर का, वहाँ पे 100 से ज़्यादा बीन्स स्कैटर किए, तो क्या होगा, वहाँ पे थोड़ा क्राउड ज़्यादा होगा. ओके, जस्ट लाइक इन दिस वे डियर स्टूडेंट, in next video we will see the next portion of this lesson of populations